I was dreaming very peacefully this morning until I realized that I am getting late for absolutely nothing. So I decided to grab my phone and get ready for the day. But first, I had to get some breakfast. I usually eat very healthy. So I decided to make some noodles. And while the water was boiling, I decided to stare at nothing and shake hands with my plant. I added sausages, the spice mix, and look at my egg cracking skill. And while it was getting ready, I decided to grab a drink and Shazam supremacy, let me tell you guys. And look at how good this looks. Happy Friday.